Okay, so starting to do the final assembly on one of my other arcade projects, the Rocket Races, which is modeled after a 1940s horse racing arcade game. So these are the bottom mechanism for moving the sled. That there'll be a top deck that sits above here. You don't see the bottom lower, and there's 5 rockets, but it's a 4-player because the house is always going to be playing. So you do have to beat the house. The house wins, well, it wins. If you or one of the other players wins, well, you get a prize. Still working on that. But the system, there'll be, for the 4 players, there's one of 4 buttons, and each player is pushing on a button to slowly move the sled forward. And it rides on this ratchet system here. I already did a test run on this, a month or so back. I think I posted a video on it showing the system. And then also, let me show you the cabinet. Okay, so before I show you the cabinet, let me show you what the CAD model looks like. So that's the Rocket Races. So you got the 4 players set up here with the 4 buttons. So like all the games for the arcade, it's designed to accept either bottle caps or arcade tokens. And then, there's a coin dispensing unit here, so somebody should win. Maybe they can get the payout. And it's a pretty good size cabinet here, as you saw from the tracks. Oh, wrong way. And of course, the inner components for operating the system. The tracks. Some things aren't in the CAD model that I had to figure out as I'm cutting and building the wood components. And of course, stuff to tell you the status of the game, new game, game over, the winner. So winner will light up along with one of the buttons, one of the numbers here. And I do need to put in another thing here to let you know if the house wins. So I'll put something underneath here. And then I realized I don't have anything on here to let you know when the game starts, other than the house would start moving. That would be kind of a disadvantage if nobody knew to move till the house started, because it would have a head start. So put in something similar, maybe to a racetrack has, where it's the light system for drag strips or something, maybe. I don't know, haven't decided. Or I do have a old-fashioned ringing bell. Maybe I'll do that. If somebody made it this far in the video, let me know what you think on that idea of either lights or a bell, or hell, maybe both. I don't know. I don't really want to do any actual audio recordings, because then I gotta introduce extra components. But I don't know, maybe time will tell on that. So let me show you the actual wood cabinet. Okay, so the actual wood cabinet. And if you're familiar with the Bounty Hunt pinball machine, it starts to put in proportionate size now. when I'm not playing the Bounty Hunt pinball machine, it makes for a table. Poor thing. So this would be the front here. And of course, this is one of the rocket medallions that you saw here. And another one goes over there, around the other corner, and also here. Some other decorational stuff. And of course, there's going to be some checker flags, the rocket races, and then the control panel here for the 4 players. So there'll be more to come on this. I'm hoping in, let's see, maybe a day or two, start doing some testing of the rocket tracks moving along. I'll show that. All right, till next time.